Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, some time ago I made a video about why we should not disconnect the car battery. Well, here they have brought us a C4 Picasso that the owner to change the sensor of the tree cam. He changed it, put a new one, disconnected the battery, because he had read in a forum that it had to be done. It should not be done. Okay, the battery is disconnected when it is strictly necessary. Sometimes working with the airbags or when there is danger of making a short circuit, then yes. Okay, or even to change the battery itself and put a new one, but as I said, the time strictly necessary is also disconnected, to avoid a problem that the ECU reset it and then you do not want to start the vehicle, as it has happened to this one. Look. You see, here even if we try to start it, engine failure stop the vehicle, you already see the engine failure symbol. We have made several attempts but in the end we will have to put R to the machine. Because it does not want to start, you see, to start the engine brake, press start. The brake is pressed, it goes to start, but, you see, engine failure continues, stop the vehicle. Okay, as I said in that video, you do not have to disconnect the battery if it is not strictly necessary. To change these sensors it is not necessary. Okay, well here you have the video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.